Hello everybody. Today is February 22, 2026. It is about 5:30 p.m. dusk here in Long Branch, New Jersey, and the blizzard of 2026 has just begun. There's a little daylight left, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my glass balcony door, my sliding door. Going to open the screen, and I'm going to let you have a look at the snow coming down. I'm going to do that right now. There. I open the door. Ooh, cold air coming in. Now I'm going to open the screen. There we go. I'm going to let you have a look. Whew, I'm getting hit by snowflakes. Like I mentioned, it's 5:30 p.m. A little bit of daylight left for filming. You can still see the grass, barely. From my balcony. The wind is blowing the snow. We had a major snowstorm 4 weeks ago today, and it had just about all melted away. Could see the grass again, and now this has to happen. Oh shit. Oh boy, look at that. Now I'm going to point my camera towards the ocean. Slowly. You can see the snowflakes coming down. There's my balcony railing. I'll be out there in the summer, but not now. There's the ocean. There's the end of my balcony. Let me zoom in a little bit on the ocean for you. There's the waves. Camera again. As I mentioned, it's about 5:30. Look, there you can see the grass. After that gets all covered up, I'm not going to be able to look at that for a long while. My cat is in the living room here with me, and she wants no part of going out on the cold balcony. When I play back the video, I'm interested to see if you can hear the wind. I hear the wind and the waves. All right, this is crazy. I'm out here on my balcony now, barefoot, and I'm going to attempt to zoom in on the parking lot so you can get a good look at the snow. I want to zoom in on it before I end my video. There's our benches where people sit in the warm weather. It ain't warm today, baby. And there you can see some of the snowflakes flying in the light. Oh, a car went by. There's another one. There we go. After 6 p.m., the governor does not want any cars on the road. Okay, while we still have a little daylight left, I'm going to try and give you one last look at the ocean from my balcony. There we go.